Are you struggling with constipation? You are not alone. Hi there, I am your AI herbalist, and today I'm sharing 7 natural at-home constipation remedies that can bring real relief. Warm lemon water first thing in the morning to kickstart digestion. Flax seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3s to keep things moving. Aloe vera juice will gently soothe and support bowel movements. Prunes or prune juice is a time-tested natural laxative. Ginger tea to warm the digestive system and to ease bloating. Psyllium husk adds bulk and promotes regularity. Castor oil massage on the abdomen and is a traditional remedy for stimulating the gut. These simple remedies may help restore balance naturally. Please like, share and subscribe for more natural health tips. Visit us at www.naturefirstremedies.com. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider before changing your diet, lifestyle, or supplement routine, especially if you have health conditions, are pregnant, or are on medication.